Hi everyone, I'm Joanne Carey, Digital Marketing Director for Marketplace Events. This is a quick tutorial on how to fill out your Enhanced Exhibitor Listing. Your Enhanced Exhibitor Listing provides us the information we need to promote your company online. All information may now be edited by you at any time, and the edits will appear on the show website. We're working to launch a new virtual showroom. Therefore, this information is incredibly valuable to any potential shopper. To start, let's go to the Enhanced Exhibitor Listing email. 24 hours after you book your booth with Marketplace Events, you'll be forwarded an email to enhance your exhibitor listing. Just click Enhance Your Exhibitor Listing here to bring up the form. First, double-check your company name, exhibit space, and category that your company should appear in. Next, if your business takes part in multiple shows produced by Marketplace Events, you may check those shows off here, and then the information that you provide on this form will appear on all of those show websites. First, provide us with the URL to your business. Please include a full URL, including HTTPS. This ensures that the links won't break when we try to forward web traffic to you. Next, provide a company description, anything about your products and services. If you have any customer testimonials, you can also type those in here. Then provide us with any show deals you're offering at the show. Anything you provide in the show deals box will appear on a special promotions tab on the show website. Next, new products. If you're selling any new products this year, please provide them here. Again, we'll feature a new products page on the show website. Double check your address. Then you have your salesperson information and email. The email address you provide here is the email address that will receive any lead requests from the show website. Please make sure it's an email address that's checked often so that you don't miss any leads. Next, you can provide all of your social media URLs. Again, we need full URLs and not just your social handles in order for the links to function and for us to send you traffic. If you have a page on the Better Business Bureau website, you can include that full URL here, and the same for LinkedIn. If you'd like to provide a promotional video link, just include the full URL to one video, not the URL to your YouTube channel. This will ensure that the video player works to play your video. If you have a virtual meeting request or an appointment schedule on your website, include the full URL to that here. And if you have an online store, include the full URL to that as well. If you've won any certifications or have any awards, you can type those in here and they'll also appear on your listing. More importantly is your business logo. All logos should be 300 by 300 pixels in size. Your logo will appear in multiple search results under different categories as people are searching the website. So it's the most important image for you to upload. Additionally, you can include up to 5 images of products or services along with small captions about those images. Once you're done including all of the information, just scroll back up and hit the big Save Listing button. Here's an example of how it will look on the website. Your booth number, your online store, your website, your social media icons, your LinkedIn, your Better Business Bureau, your address, your promotional video, request information, this goes to the email address you provided, schedule an appointment, this goes directly to the appointment scheduler on your page, description, your show specials, and new products, and then any additional product images you provided. Here's a quick sneak peek of the show specials page. That's all you need in order to get your Enhanced Exhibitor Listing up and running. Thank you.